Hi guys, today I'm going to show you two different sites to use for an English class, or really any class in general, which you do research in. But today we're mainly going to focus on citing an MLA and creating a works cited page. So the first site we're going to do is Purdue OWL, and it's the first one that pops up. The direct link is owl.english.purdue.edu/owl. And on this page you can find tons of resourceful information dealing with citation in either APA or MLA. Most grade schools and high schools use MLA, so we're going to click on that one. And on here you will find tons of information regarding MLA format, how to cite certain resources and media, how to set up a paper, the general guidelines. They'll even give you example papers, how to do section headings. The information is all there. The main ones I want to point out for you today are how to cite books, because most of the time you're going to do books. So they, step by step show you the basic format, the book with one author, multiple authors. So it'll give you the example in italics or that other font that is, and then it'll explain to you, how to deal with the situation that you may come across with the same author or with no author. Really, anything that you possibly could be citing, they have listed out on here how to cite it. So this is all books. Another common resource is obviously internet or periodicals or scholar-reviewed journals. So you'd click on there, from a magazine, a newspaper, wherever you got it from, it'll show you step by step how to cite that work. Like I said, electronic sources, so web pages. And now if you want to cite the entire page or just want to cite on one page of the website, for the blog post, whatever you're citing, it's there. Another really good, so basically all these tabs on the side are really great resources no matter how you want to look at it, but most commonly in grade school and high school you're going to be using the citations for the works cited page or for, in-text citations, and where you're quoting directly from the novel, the website, whatever you're citing from. It'll list the guidelines for you here, and it'll give you examples. So in MLA, you would say the author first, quotations, the whatever you're taking from the text or whatever source you're using, and then the page number. It'll show you how to do it with every different kind of, resource that you're using. It'll show you how to do that in the text. Same with formatting quotes, endnotes, footnotes if you want to use those. Abbreviations, some additional resources they also have listed out here for you. So if their page is not helpful enough, which trust me it is, they give you other resources. What really helpful was, I know I'm generally a visual learner, so I need to be able to see what it looks like instead of just reading about it. So they actually have here for you an example of a correctly written MLA paper, and on the side they put little side notes of what's going on in the paper that makes it MLA. So header at the top, it's how you set up the paper on the left side with your name, Times New Roman 12. They have the in-text citations correctly. Really anything you're looking for is probably on the sample page, and you can see how to write it. And they also have the works cited page, which is huge. And they show you how to correctly do that. So any misconceptions or confusion you may have, you can go to the actual page and visually look at it. And that's always usually what helps me. There's also a PowerPoint presentation. I won't open that because it'll take too long, but they go step by step on the PowerPoint presentation too. And then, some classroom posters for us as teachers. You can go here and find some really good MLA posters. And that's the main gist of Purdue OWL. It really can answer any question you have about MLA and citations. Also, another really great resource is vibme.com. So if you cannot figure out how to correctly cite a book, website, whatever it is that you're using for your resource or research, you can do a Vibme search. So we went in MLA because we're doing grade school or high school. And then that'll load for you. And there's multiple options here. You can either type in the book title, the book author, or if you look at the code on the book with the serial number on the back, you can type that in too, and it'll come up. So let's do an example. So I just read the book. So The Book Thief is the first book I see in my bookshelf. The Book Thief. So you type in the book title, because I'm gonna pretend I don't know the author even though I do. Oh, and there we go. It's the first one that shows up. You'll select it. If it loads. And then it won't give you the direct citation. It'll make you kind of check and search the information yourself. Not loading. Okay. So this part you have to fill in and make sure it's correct. So, state, UNAD New York. Publisher's correct, year's correct. Yeah, make sure you're actually using the book and looking at this. And then once you have all the information in there, you just hit create citation. And it's right there for you. And the nice thing is you just have to click it. There we go. And it'll copy it and paste it for you on your page. And you can also do this with magazines, newspapers, websites, journals, films, and really anything you're looking to cite, it'll find it and create a citation for you. So those are the 2 websites I have for you today. Be sure to use these if you have any questions about MLA, research, or citations. They are very helpful. Thank you.